All right, so today I'm going to be talking about using AI to generate a complete professional RFP. And really, the goal is to generate a complete RFP in under 5 minutes. All you're going to need for this is a paid ChatGPT account and then some basic scopes and information about the RFP that you're requesting. So, project type, scope, timelines, evaluation criteria that you want to make your decisions on. And so this is kind of something when I was putting this together, it's kind of funny. Let's be honest, we're all guilty of creating a document from cutting and pasting parts of old documents and piecing them into what we think is a new document. Anybody want to guess what we call that? We call that the Frankenstein document method. It's basically just putting together, all of these documents. You think you're creating something new, but you're just basically revamping old, worn out, sometimes outdated pieces of information and trying to put it together, really just to help save you time and get it done also. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to eliminate that. We're going to show you how before AI, you're going to start from an old Word doc. You're going to copy, paste it, edit for hours, second guess if it's truly complete. After AI, you're going to paste the prompt. You're going to input the project details and get a structured, complete RFP instantly. The thing that's most important there, that time that saves you from spending putting together that RFP, you can be out working on site readiness, deal flow, stakeholder engagement, the things that you are put in place to do. So bottom line, less busy work, more visibility, more opportunity. You look like a superhero to the community because you're always out there and being very efficient. So I put together, I'm going to consider this a moderately difficult prompt. But as you know, our members, the elite cities can log in and copy and paste these prompts instead of having to retype them. So we try to make it as easy as possible. But going through the engineered prompt, always first part of a good prompt, set the scene. So you're an economic development professional creating a formal RFP. Then you tell the GPT what to execute. Ask the following 6 questions, one at a time. Project type, project description, scope of work, timeline, submission requirements, evaluation criteria. Then you need to tell it how to execute it. So use the answers to create a complete professional request for proposal using the following inputs: project overview, background context, detailed scope of service, vendor qualifications, submission instructions, evaluation criteria with scoring, timeline and key dates, terms and conditions. Format it clearly with headers and professional tone. Make it ready to send with minimal editing. So we're going to go live. I've already done this. I put in a sample. So as I started it, it went through and asked me the questions, and I just said I'm going to be doing a website RFP. The thing that I like, it also gave suggestions. So if you don't know what to put in there, it kind of guides you through and gives you ideas. And then once I answered the questions, it said, excellent, here's your fully built professional RFP. That took about 4 minutes to go through those questions. This took literally, I'm going to say 45 seconds to put out. So it's professional. It's fully integrated, but something that you could take, copy and paste it, and then make any of the necessary edits if you want. I'm going to give you a little power move here. If you do this, I'm going to say once you generate your RFP, tell it to put this into your canvas. What it's going to do, they came out with this about a couple months ago. So it's going to put this in a properly formatted format that you can easily just copy and paste it right into Word. For those of you that have tried to copy and paste these things, the formatting can be off, the spacing can be different. So they've added this, and it actually allows you to, hit edit. So you can edit it on the left side and make all your edits right to that document. So very, very powerful tool to help you guys put together your RFPs. So how much time savings manually? It takes about 4 to 6 hours to put together an RFP starting from scratch. AI assisted, I'm going to say 15 to 20 minutes. So my time return rating on this is 5 out of 5 lightning bolts. I hope you guys use it. It's a great prompt and enjoy. Hope that's helpful.